Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Mozilla Firefox browser. If you want to change it from English to any other language, we'll see how that works and how we can implement that in the fastest way possible. So the first thing that you got to remember and you got to keep on looking for is that, as you can see, I'm on the default page. So you may want to go there just to make things easier or not make it confusing, even though it's pretty straightforward. So what you want to do is you want to see this little three line things, little sign there. You want to click on that, and then you want to go to options. So that is options. I'm just explaining this because the icons can be a little bit confusing. So library, see the options, it's also aimed like a gear. Now when you are at options, you have a couple of, again, sub options, we can call them here: general, home, search, privacy, security, and sync. So you want to go on general, as it is, as you would start the browser, and you want to go down just until you reach language. So underneath language, it says choose the languages used to display menus, messages, and notifications from Firefox. You can change this up. Now, as you can see, it's searching for languages. This is gonna be searching the Firefox index for multiple languages that you can use on your browser for whatever reasons or purpose you may want to. So as you can see, I got the option for select a language to add. Now I can add all the languages in the world. I'm gonna try for French. So let's go with French. And I'm going to click add. As you can see, the language is being downloaded. Now, as you can see, French has been added. Now, we're going to click on OK. And now we're going to, as you can see, the language is set on French. The key thing is, as per all apps, you need to do an update and a restart. So you get the option here. You don't need to close anything out. Just from here it says restart Firefox to apply these changes. Now as you can see, the language is French. If you want to change it back to English, again, remember this gear icon, general, you go down to language. Now I'm gonna go back to English. Apply and restart. And we're back on English. So that is how you change your language on Firefox. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye-bye.